This is my 20-inch Grizzly planer I've had for several years, and it was purchased in 1990, not by me, but there's a date on it. It's a 3 horsepower. Generally I like it, but I made a disturbing discovery. I assumed that one crank of the hand wheel equaled a 1/16 of an inch. But let's see what happens when we do that. So let's see. One turn, 1/16 of an inch, right? One turn looks pretty close to a 1/16 of an inch. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so we've gone 16 turns, but now we're definitely less than an inch. So what's going on here? Let's go another 4 more turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you notice, we're at exactly 30 millimeters or 3 centimeters. So one turn of the crank is 1.5 millimeters. It's not a 1/16 of an inch, it's 1.5 millimeters. I am curious if someone has a new model of one of these planers, the 4-posted Grizzly, or the Powermatic makes one now, or Jet, or there's a whole bunch of these style of planers. I am curious if the new ones also are metric. So if you have one, let me know down in the comments.